Hi TRS students, welcome to spring semester 2022 late start TRS 099 class. So when you log in, make sure you first watch the course organization video under the welcome to TRS 099 announcement. This video will help you navigate the course, understand how it's organized. After that, you want to go to the start here in course information, tabs over here on the left hand side. Make sure you go through all that information to help you with understanding how the course is set up, your expectations, the due dates, and all that stuff. It's all very important. For this week, you'll be working on two learning activities. The first one is due on Wednesday. You'll see that there's a video on MLA formatting right here. Okay, you can look at that. You can also watch this video about learning activities so you understand what learning activities are all about. That will be the major assignment throughout the semester, learning activities. I believe you have half a dozen, maybe 8 learning activities throughout the semester. So make sure that you pay attention to when they're due. They're worth 100 points apiece, so they're extremely important. You also have a lot of rough drafts due this semester. The rough drafts will help you in English 101. So make sure you're doing the work in TRS 099 because that work will help you for English 101. And also the grade in English TRS 099 will count towards your GPA. So learning activity number 1 is right here. It comes as a Word document. And you want to write a summary for English 101 work, and then some of the non-cognitive obstacles that you'll face outside of MCC. Do you have issues with work, with childcare, sick parents, a broken down car, whatever that might be? What are some of the obstacles that might hinder you from succeeding at MCC, and how do you plan to overcome those obstacles? Okay, that's the key. How are you going to overcome those obstacles? Because ultimately, your time at MCC is going to help you for the rest of your life. Those obstacles are simply temporary. What you're doing now is your future. So it's extremely important you pay attention and do a really good job in your classes at MCC. Okay, from there, learning activity 2 is due on Friday. You'll see the reading process video is located here. You have a handout, you have a video lecture, and then you have learning activity number 2. Now, when you submit a learning activity, make sure you type it as a Word document and save it as a Word document or as a PDF document. When you submit it, you want to submit it as one of those 2 documents by uploading it. So you simply browse local files. I'm just going to go down to this and then submit it as that document. Okay, that's the only way that I can grade those papers on Blackboard is when you submit them as a PDF or as a Word. Now, when you do discussion boards and stuff like that, that's different. Discussion boards, you just type it in the space available to you on Blackboard. And that should be pretty apparent when you see the discussion boards. Okay, if you have any questions, shoot me a message. Otherwise, I do have office hours on Wednesday from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock in the morning. You'll see the link located right up here. Simply click the link, take in my Zoom room, and you should have access to, obviously me, but also the resources that I have available. All right, have a great week. I look forward to seeing all of you. Take care.